Find the HCF for two numbers. As in the homework, the first one, I'm going to make the first one for you. 5, and he needs you to find the HCF of 5 and 20, the first one. Okay. So I'm gonna write that he needs HCF for 5 and 20. So if you need the HCF or the LCM or both together, I'm going to sing the song, which is 2 circles, 2 sticks, HCF, LCM. Once he needs the HCF, I'm going to give him this number. If he wants the LCM, so I'm going to give him his number. Now he wants me to find HCF. I don't need the LCM. Okay, let's do it first. To find the HCF, I have to factorize the two numbers first, 5 and 20. So I'm going to write 5 here and 20 here. And then I should write my helpers, which is the prime numbers. And we know this, the prime number, or I'm going to sing the song. Yeah, think is with me. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. So I'm going to just to check my helpers to help me to factorize. Okay, so I know that stick or factorization mean that I'm going to divide. 5, miss. The 5 going to say we were because it is a prime number. We were. So I'm going to say this, 5 divided 5 equal 1. Because 5 is a prime number and it's going to say I'm a prime number. You can't divide me except myself. So I'm going to divide 5 by itself. 5 divided 5 equal 1. So I have finished for factorize 5. This is pretty easy and cool. So I'm going to write like this, 5 equal 5. Okay, what about 20? Let's see how to factorize 20. Actually, any number start with 0 or 5, go ahead and divide it by 5. You're going to get rid of it faster. You're going to do it faster. So the unit is here is 0, so I'm going to just ask 5 to help me. 5 is a prime number, so I can use it. So 20 divided 5 equals, yes, 4. Take care, 4 is not a prime number, so which is not going to say we were. So I'm going to search for my helper. Let's go and ask 2. 2, can you help us? Can you help 4? So she's going to ask us, is 4 divisible by 2? Yes, because 4 is an even number. So yes, I'm going to help 4 because she's an even number, so I'm going to help her. So 4 divided 2 equals 2. Now 2 going to say we were because it is a prime number. And it's going to say, actually you can't divide me except myself. You have to divide me by myself because a prime number. So 2 divided 2 equal 1. And now I have finished. I'm going to write the number down, which is 20 equals these 3 numbers together. 5 times 2 times 2. Okay, so I'm gonna write it like here because I don't have a space here. Hold a second. Okay, now I'm gonna write it here. That 20 equals 5 times 2 times 2. Now I should complete the circles. So this circle for 5 and this circle for 20. Now I'm going to just see which number is the VIP number that is common in 5 and common in 20. I can see it in 20 and I can see it in 5. Let's go. Actually 5, it just has one 5. Let's see, is this 5 there in the 20? Yes, yes, yes. So 5 is a VIP number. So I'm gonna put it here. Come here, 5. You're going to put it here. What about this 2? No, she hasn't anything in 5, so it is not a VIP number. So I'm gonna put it out there in the reception. What about the other 2? Actually, the other 2 also has no a common number with 5, so I'm gonna put it also in the reception. And then I'm going to find the H.C.F. Miss, the H.C.F is the VIP port, this. And this VIP port has only 5, so I'm gonna write it like this. It's just 5. The H.C.F is 5, miss. What about the L.C.M? The L.C.M means I'm going to have the whole number inside the 2 circles. That's mean it's 5 and 2 and 2, yeah? So I'm gonna write it like this. The LCM going to be 5 times 2 times 2. Let's see. 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So that's it. Miss, I already found the H.C.F and L.C.M. But he just asked about the L.C.M, the L.C.F. Sorry, he just asked about the H.C.F. He asked me about the H.C.F. So I'm not going to give him the answer of L.C.M, but I'm going to do it. So if he asks about the H.C.F, I'm gonna write the answer here, 5. So the answer is 5. If you want the H.C.F of 5 and the 20, it is 5. What if he asks about the L.C.M, not about the H.C.F? I'm going to tell him 20. What if he asks about them both, H.C.F and L.C.M? I'm going to write it at 5 and 20. And that's it. So complete your homework as this one. Thank you.